Welcome to IELTS Slowcast with Tawfeeq, Slow English for Smart Learners. These podcasts are tailor-made for Arab students preparing for the IELTS. Today's topic is my morning routine. Many IELTS questions ask, what do you do in the morning? Or, how do you start your day? Let's practice clear, simple English for this topic. 2. Main story. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get up a few minutes later and open the curtains. The sun usually shines through my window. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I get ready for work. I choose my clothes and pack my bag. I have breakfast, sometimes bread and cheese, sometimes eggs. While I eat, I like to listen to music or check my messages. At 8 o'clock I leave home. I usually commute by bus. The trip takes about 20 minutes. When I arrive at the office, I feel awake and ready to start my day. 3. Word spotlight. Let's look at some useful words. Wake up, get ready, have breakfast, and commute. The first word is wake up. It means to stop sleeping. You can say, I wake up at 7. The second word is get up, which means to leave your bed. For example, I get up after I wake up. The third word is get ready, meaning to prepare yourself, usually before leaving home. The next word is have breakfast, which means to eat your first meal of the day. And the last word is commute. To commute means to travel from home to work or school. Here is an example. Many people commute by car or bus. And, of course, usually and sometimes are adverbs to show how often something happens. Now it's your turn. Repeat slowly after me. I wake up at 7. I get up and brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work by bus. Now, I want you to know when you should use them. Use these words when you answer IELTS Speaking Part 1. Use simple linking words. For example, you can say, usually, I wake up at 7, then I get ready and have breakfast. After that, I take the bus to work. Notice that you can say, I eat breakfast or I have breakfast, but it is more common to use, I have breakfast. This sounds natural and fluent for Band 5 to 6. Summary. Today, we learned everyday verbs for morning routines. Wake up, get ready, have breakfast, commute. These words help you answer many common IELTS questions about daily life, and that's about it. Thanks for listening to IELTS Slowcast with Tawfeeq. Replay this episode and shadow the sentences. Next time, food I like. Welcome to Yasanal IELTS, a YouTube channel dedicated to